on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. You got old money in the back. Old money, say what up, though. Okay, yeah, he said what up, though. Alright, so I was thinking as I was driving, I had received like an email notification from Coinbase saying they just raised the USDC price or the staking value, the APY you get from having money on there. I don't remember what it was before. Let me in the comments know what it was before. But now it's 1.5%. Now, mind you, having money in your bank account and your savings account, you're not getting 1%. You get like 0.001, you get 0.004 at the highest. You're not getting anything of value. So, a Patreon member asked me the other day, I believe it was Chris. Chris was like, well, Lando, I made some profits on so-and-so. What should I do? Because I made profits, I sold. What should I do with this money? Because I don't want to cash it out. I want to stay in the game. I'm going to answer that in this video. Prime example. So say, for example, you had money with Coinbase. Say you had $10,000 in Dogecoin. Dogecoin completely doubled up in the last week or so, and you sold 50% of it. So now you got 20,000. So you got 10,000 still in Doge, and you got 10,000 that you made on profits. And you don't know where to put it because you're like, yo, things might crash. This has been a crazy rally, and I prefer to buy in on the dip. So now you can just take that money and move it over to USDC and be earning that 1.5% on it. And you can buy in on the dip with crypto USDC in there. That make the most sense. Like I told them, like you always have options of a safer crypto who haven't been crashing that much, who haven't been going as high, like a Quan. You can pick certain cryptocurrencies, but whatever one you pick is going to end up going to hell anyway. So the best way is to literally take your profits, put it in USDC, because if you cash out your money, it's going to be hard for you to get back in the game because you're going to come up with unexpected bill. You're going to have all this stuff. So just keep it in whatever crypto platform you have, but you want that money to be making money. Because say, for example, you had that $10,000 in USDC and Dogecoin go back down to that 6 cent or whatever it is. So that 50% profit that you made, that 10,000 turned to 20,000, if you kept it there, it would have went right back to 10,000, and you made $0 and you sitting there looking dumb. Like, man, I could have sold, I could have had a $10,000, but you didn't still take profits. So now you get that 10,000 you had in Dogecoin, they cut down to 5, but you still get that 10,000 over here that's making interest. Now you can buy back in if that's a coin or something that you actually believe in. So to answer the question, move it to USDC, move it somewhere where you can stake or make some money. I have a same type of example. If you was on crypto.com platform, like what I told him, I'm saying if you're technically not going to need that money, I would take it and stake it in Crow, because Crow, with my analysis, is not going to go under 9 cents. So it's not about to go too much lower, and you get that staking percentage where that will alleviate any type of losses. So you got a bunch of different options. Let me know in the comments what's y'all thoughts. Have you taken any profits on a recent crypto rally, or you just holding it? Let me know.